Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. And in this video, I will tell you and also show you how you can easily change the language on your iPhone. Please friends, subscribe to this channel. Be sure to put your likes under the video and don't forget to write your comments. So let us get started with you friends. And in order to change the language of your phone, first of all, open the settings on your iPhone. After that, friends, you'll need to go to Main in the settings. Then scroll down a little bit, and here you'll find a section called Language and Region. Click on it, and here you can easily find the languages that you already have added. If you want to add some more language, then you will need to click here, Add Language. Choose the language that you like and just click on it. After that, you can immediately switch to that language. You can click Add Language. And as you can see, instantly your phone will reboot and add the language you want. Switch to it. As you can see, right now I'm in Polish, and in order for me to switch to about English, I have to press these three dots, press down until they're highlighted, and drag it to the first place and leave it there. Now press Continue, and wait for the phone to reboot again. This takes, as you can see, a few seconds, not long enough. And then the phone goes into English. That's the simple way, friends, you can easily change the language on your iPhone. I hope this video was useful and helpful for you. Please friends, subscribe to the channel, put your likes, write comments below the video. Goodbye.